In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a domain in Vercel so it redirects exactly where you want it to go. Whether you've just changed your primary site, rebranded, or you simply want one domain to point to another, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, make sure you're already logged in to your Vercel account and you're on the correct project or team where your domain is configured. Once you're in the Vercel dashboard, you'll want to head over to the domain section. You can usually find this in the navigation area of your project or your team settings, depending on how your workspace is organized. The domains area is where all of your connected domains are listed and managed, so think of it as the control center for your URLs. Once you're on the domains page, take a moment to scan through the list and find the specific domain you want to redirect from. This will be the domain that visitors currently type into their browser, but that you want to automatically send somewhere else. For example, you might have an older domain that you still own, and you want anyone who visits it to be redirected to your new main domain instead. When you've located that domain in the list, look for the option to edit it. There should be an edit button or icon next to that domain's entry. Go ahead and click edit. This opens the configuration panel for that particular domain where you can adjust how it behaves. Inside the edit view, you'll see a setting labeled redirect to or something very close to that. This is where you choose the destination domain, meaning the place you want all traffic to be forwarded to. Click on the redirect to drop down. This drop down typically shows other domains that are already connected to your Vercel account, so you can easily pick the correct one instead of typing it manually. From the drop down list, select your destination domain. This is the domain where visitors should actually end up. Take a second to double check that you're choosing the right one, especially if you manage several similar looking domains. Selecting the wrong destination here would send your traffic to the wrong place, so it's worth confirming you've picked the domain that should act as your primary site. After you've chosen the correct destination domain in the redirect to drop-down, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the Edit panel and click Save. This applies your new redirect configuration to that domain. Once you've saved, Vercel will handle the redirect automatically. In most cases, the change takes effect very quickly, but if you don't see it immediately, allow a short time for DNS and configuration updates to propagate. Then test it by opening a new browser tab, typing in the domain you set to redirect from, and confirming that it takes you to the destination domain you selected. And that's all you need to do. You've edited your Vercel domain and set up a redirect using just a few simple steps. Go to the domain section, find the domain you want to redirect from, open the edit view, choose the correct destination in the redirect to drop down, and save your changes.